Reduce, reuse, recycle. Today we're in Dayton at Columbia Pulp, where they're pushing that concept even further forward.
We convert wheat straw into market pulp that is made into pulp and paper products.
Kyle Lovegren is the plant manager here at Columbia Pulp. He makes sure things are running smoothly so that all this straw can become something even more.
You know, this is wheat straw that is normally just left in the field and it's in the way for the next harvest. It doesn't have a whole lot of nutritional value to it, so it's literally a waste product that needs to be removed. Southeastern Washington especially is a high yield soft wheat producer. Putting us in the middle of high yield wheat country is important. We're right here by our product and we can learn from it. As timber became more valuable, you know, the thought to look for another waste stream to convert into pulp and paper has really been around for quite a while.
I started this 25 years ago along with another individual.
Dr. Bill McKean of the University of Washington first conceptualized this process many years ago. Today, it's exciting for him to see his work come full circle.
You know, I'm an academic, and it's very unusual for an academic to develop something that is scaled up into a commercial operation. So this is very satisfying to see this happen.
For me, it was a really great opportunity just to go be part of something new. There were pilot facilities and there was a plan in place, but we had not done it yet. It was literally when I saw the first sheet come off of the wet lap machine. I went down to the convenience store and bought the nicest bottle of champagne they had there.
At the convenience store.
Yeah.
You know, I'm toward the end of my career, and it's exciting to see this commercial venture that will help out the Eastern Washington ag industry.
Now Kyler's taking me on a tour of the plant.
The reason wheat straw works is we're really just looking for the fibers out of the plant material. So it's really just about separating those fibers out and then giving those to the customers as a supplement or as a replacement to fibers they would take out of a tree. The chemistry has happened. We're now draining the moisture out of the product to prepare it for refining. So like I said, we want to go after those fibers. These things are just separating those fibers. So just be careful, don't get your hands in there, but.
Hot diggity dog. And so again, that's just going through and then squeezing and squeezing and squeezing.
Right, as it comes into here, it's in a liquid form. So this is the fibers coming out of that.
Those are some pretty big fibers.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here, they even reuse the water in the process, reducing it down to create biopolymer.
That's then marketed as a dust control agent, a fertilizer binding agent, basically a sugary, sticky molasses that probably doesn't taste like molasses.
So our theme is really there's no such thing as waste.
Right. This is our final product that's wet lap pulp that goes out to pulp mills in the area. They will then take this and incorporate it into their process, and they'll make paper products such as cup stock like this. We have other customers that will bring it in and they will mold it into clamshells, paper plates.
This cup is made with 32% wheat straw.
Right.
From the wheat fields in Washington.